Warm and inviting. Satin nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Size and fit. 5.62 long, 1 diameter, made to fit a 5/8 holder hole. Easy install. Pro Fit installation system eliminates set screws for faster, more durable mounting. Construction. Roller is made of plastic. Satin nickel finish creates a warm matte gray metallic tone. The Pro Fit installation system eliminates set screws for faster, more durable mounting. Paper holder posts are constructed of zinc. Roller is made of plastic. Limited lifetime warranty. Rounded posts and solid contours give Moen Mason accessories a personality that's robust yet refined. Top reviews from the United States. Signature required shipping? This is the perfect toilet paper holder. When my old one broke and shot across the room, we decided to order a replacement. For some reason beyond me or the nice lady at the post office, this $2 toilet paper roll holder was shipped with signature required, so it couldn't be dropped off in my mailbox. I had to drive to town and go pick it up at the post office. It was worth the drive because now I have a strong new toilet paper holder for my 6-month supply of COVID toilet paper in the basement.